It may seem harmless to slam the gas pedal or delay an oil change a little, but for the engine, these are not minor issues. They are real sources of stress. At first glance, they're just everyday habits. Starting the car and driving off immediately, driving through deep water, or riding a bit longer with the low fuel warning light on. However, over time, all of this leads to wear, overheating, and serious breakdowns. And if you also neglect regular maintenance, the engine simply won't survive. Today, we'll go over 10 habits that slowly but surely destroy your engine and your entire vehicle. Each one can easily cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. But here's the good news. Breaking these bad habits is much easier than you might think. And at the end, you'll get a bonus tip that can significantly extend your engine's life and save you money on maintenance. Habit number 1. Ignoring fluid leaks. Every fluid leak is not just a stain in the parking lot, it's a potential threat to your vehicle. Ignoring these warning signs puts not only your car at risk, but also your own safety. Let's start with coolant. If coolant leaks out, the engine begins to overheat. Overheating leads to a warped cylinder head, blown head gasket, and ultimately major engine repairs. Now, engine oil. An engine oil leak reduces oil pressure in the lubrication system and increases wear on components. And if the oil drips onto hot parts like the exhaust manifold, it can cause an engine fire right under the hood. Brake fluid is even more critical. A brake fluid leak directly affects braking efficiency. In an emergency situation, your brakes might simply fail. And transmission fluid? Without it, the transmission overheats, starts slipping, jerking, and eventually fails completely. In addition, any type of leak makes the road surface slippery and dangerous, especially for motorcyclists and other drivers. Even small drips are not something to ignore. What starts as a minor leak today could turn into a costly repair or a tow truck call tomorrow. If you notice fluid under your car, don't delay. A quick diagnosis and timely repair will cost far less than rebuilding the engine or transmission. Remember, just as blood is essential for humans, fluids are vital for your car. If they leak out, the entire system stops functioning. Habit number 2. Driving with low or no engine oil. When the oil level in the engine drops too low, the internal components stop receiving proper lubrication. The result is increased wear, higher friction, and overheating. The less oil there is, the higher the temperature gets. And once the oil overheats and loses its protective properties, it can no longer shield the engine. At this point, a chain reaction begins. Friction increases, temperatures spike rapidly, and the engine can seize completely. In the worst-case scenario, metal parts literally weld together, and no repair can save the engine. Replacement becomes the only option. The takeaway: regularly check your oil level. It takes less than a minute and can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Habit number 3. Constant driving at low RPM. Regular driving at low RPM, often called lugging the engine, may seem harmless, but in reality, it puts serious strain on the engine, especially if you're hauling a heavy load or driving uphill. At low RPM, the oil pump, coolant pump, and cooling fan operate less efficiently. As a result, there's less lubrication, weaker cooling, and insufficient airflow for proper engine operation. Oil pressure drops, coolant flow slows down, and bearings are left almost unprotected. Heat starts to build up and wear accelerates. Of course, if you're stuck in traffic or crawling through the city at low speeds, it's not a big issue. Modern engines can handle short-term loads, and electronics monitor many parameters. But if you consistently force the engine to operate at the edge like this, essentially torturing it, the damage will eventually catch up. It's much better to stay in the mid-RPM range and avoid overloading the engine. In return, it will reward you with a longer service life. Habit number 4. Revving a cold engine. Many drivers make the same mistake. They start the car and immediately begin revving the engine. But if the engine is still cold, this rush can turn out to be very costly. Before the engine warms up, the oil inside remains thick and circulates slowly through the system. It simply doesn't reach all the critical components in time. If you start revving before the oil has fully warmed up, vital parts like pistons, shafts, and bearings are working almost without lubrication. This leads directly to accelerated wear and potentially serious engine failure. A common mistake is to rely on the coolant temperature gauge, but remember, engine oil heats up much slower than coolant. In fact, some vehicles used to have a separate oil temperature gauge, and for good reason. The takeaway is simple. After starting the engine, don't rush. Let it idle for at least a couple of minutes, and only then start driving with moderate load. This simple habit will protect your engine and help you avoid expensive repairs down the road. Habit number 5. Excessive engine braking. Engine braking can be useful, but when done incorrectly, it becomes a serious threat to both the engine and transmission. The main danger is the sudden spike in RPM when shifting into too low of a gear at high speed. In this situation, the engine spins much faster than it should, creating a high risk of severe damage. For example, valve float can occur where the valves fail to close in time, and in the worst-case scenario, the piston strikes a valve. This is almost like a timing belt failure, only self-inflicted. There's another issue: excessive stress in transmission synchronizers. Constantly downshifting to slow down causes faster wear compared to regular upshifting. It's much better to shift down once and brake smoothly, rather than jumping through multiple gears. Matching revs and using throttle blips can reduce the strain slightly, but for everyday driving, the brakes remain the safer option. On long downhill descents, yes, engine braking can help maintain a steady speed. But in normal driving situations, rely on your brakes. They're simpler and cheaper to service than rebuilding a transmission or overhauling an engine. Habit number 6. Accelerating in high gear. Hard acceleration in high gear is one of those habits that quietly but steadily reduces your engine's lifespan. Yes, the engine can handle brief bursts of power. That's what it's designed for. But if you constantly floor the gas pedal in 4th or 5th gear, especially at low RPM, you're putting significant strain on the engine. The main stress falls on the crankshaft's connecting rod and main bearings. Continuous operation under heavy load leads to premature wear and, over time, to serious failures. Modern vehicles are equipped with electronic rev limiters to prevent the engine from exceeding critical RPM levels. But that doesn't mean the engine is comfortable running near its limits. Even without hitting maximum RPM, frequent hard acceleration causes additional wear. If you want to maintain a balance between performance and longevity, stay in the mid-RPM range. That's enough for confident acceleration while keeping the engine in a gentle operating mode. As a bonus, you'll save fuel. So reserve aggressive acceleration for situations where it's truly needed. Your engine will thank you. Habit number 7. Ignoring engine overheating. High temperatures are the worst enemy of any engine, and if you don't react in time, the consequences can be catastrophic. Overheating can lead to a warped cylinder head, burned motor oil, ignition problems, and a noticeable loss of power. One common cause is ruptured coolant hoses. These result in coolant leaks, a mess under the hood, and even worse, damage to other engine components. In severe cases, overheating leads to a blown head gasket. When that happens, coolant mixes with oil, and the engine basically fails. Thick white smoke from the exhaust is a serious warning sign. This may indicate a blown head gasket, and waiting any longer will only make things worse. The temperature gauge or warning light on your dashboard will also alert you to overheating. If the temperature reaches the red zone, never keep driving. Even a few minutes in this condition can cost you an entire engine replacement. There's only one correct action. If the engine starts to overheat, stop immediately and call for a tow truck. It's much better to play it safe and deal with a minor repair than to rebuild the engine later. Habit number 8. Driving through standing water. Driving through deep water may seem harmless, but for the engine, it's one of the most dangerous situations, especially if the water level rises higher than you expect. Every vehicle has its own fording depth limit, usually just below the air intake level. If the water reaches that point and gets inside, serious trouble begins. Water entering the air intake goes straight into the combustion chamber. And this isn't just a matter of wet spark plugs. This is hydrolock. Water doesn't compress. When the piston tries to compress it, it meets immovable resistance. As a result, connecting rods bend, the engine block cracks, pistons break. The damage is massive. The engine stalls immediately, and simply drying it out won't fix the problem. Off-road vehicles with snorkels, raised air intakes, face this issue much less often. But on regular passenger cars, the air intake sits low, making any deep puddle a serious risk. If you happen to drive into deep water and the engine stalls, do not attempt to restart it. That will only make things worse. The car must be towed, the engine disassembled, dried with oil and filters replaced. Remember, the combustion chamber is meant only for air and fuel. If water gets in, the engine may be lost. It's always better to avoid the puddle or stop and turn around than to face a costly engine rebuild. Habit number 9. Shifting into reverse while still moving. One of the most common mistakes drivers make is shifting into reverse before the vehicle has come to a complete stop. These sudden shifts put extreme stress on the transmission, accelerating wear on its internal components. Both manual and automatic transmissions suffer from this. There's virtually no difference. This habit significantly shortens the lifespan of the transmission and can lead to serious failures, from damaged synchronizers and clutches to broken planetary gears or a failed automatic transmission valve body. The correct approach is simple. Always come to a full stop before shifting into reverse. Following this rule will help preserve your transmission and save you from costly repairs. Habit number 10. Skipping regular maintenance. It may seem like missing one oil change isn't a big deal, but in reality, it can be the start of serious problems. When you delay maintenance, engine oil gradually loses its properties, becomes too thin, and eventually turns into thick sludge. This sludge can no longer properly lubricate engine components, causing accelerated wear. In extreme cases, the engine can seize, leaving you with no option but an expensive repair or a full engine replacement. The same applies to transmission fluid. Over time, it loses viscosity and can no longer effectively cool and lubricate the transmission. The result: slipping, overheating, jerking, and sometimes complete transmission failure. The car may even stop shifting gears entirely. Both the engine and transmission are the most expensive components in your vehicle. Regular maintenance is the simplest and most affordable way to extend their lifespan. Follow the recommended service intervals for oil and fluid changes. Spend a little time now, and you'll save a lot of money later. Bonus tip: waiting for the low fuel light to refill is a bad habit. You'll have to refuel anyway, so why postpone it until the very last moment? If your car frequently runs on fumes, contaminants and sediments start to accumulate at the bottom of the fuel tank. Over time, this sludge can get sucked into the fuel pump, eventually clogging the filters and causing premature failure of both the pump and the fuel system. This issue becomes even more critical in winter. Ideally, you should always keep at least half a tank of fuel. Otherwise, condensation can form inside the tank, leading to freezing, corrosion, deformation, and other serious problems. The best solution is simple: refuel in advance. This easy habit will help protect your fuel system and save you from costly repairs. Remember, the engine is the heart of your vehicle. Break bad habits and take proper care of your engine, and it will reward you with many years of reliable operation. You'll save money on expensive repairs and service visits while enjoying stable, dependable performance every day, in any weather, and under any load.